Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you about best pay to click sites. So let's go to the browser and search lightpeak.io. Okay, every hour you can collect 0.02 LTC for our Litecoin faucets. So click the sign up, fill your username, then email address, password, and repeat the password and solve this captcha. After that, sign up. So I have an account, so let's go to the account. 1254 LTC, that much LTC. So our deposit or click bonus faucet. Okay, the bonus is here. Stone, iron. I'm in the level of stone. You can change your level up to master. That means you can get the payout is 0.02. As the level increase, the minimum payout also increase. Okay, to withdraw I must collect this much LTC or 0.02 LTC. I am in the iron level. Okay, but now I show you this, the hourly faucet. Every 1 hour I can, okay, you can solve the captcha. Okay, the curve is similar. Okay, this the next. Okay, similar in okay, claim. Okay, login. As you can see, I get this much LTC right now. So the overall collector LTC is here. So you can make money using playing games, bonus, playing a die. Also, every 1 hour you can claim this light peak, and you collect your LTC, and if you get the minimum withdrawal point, you can withdraw your money. I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe, like, share, comment.